Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best brushless circular saw in this video? I will show you the top 3 best brushless circular saw to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more to find out more information about these products. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, Wasai 20 volts Mount Sair brushless circular. Specifications. Brand name, Wasai. Weight, 3.45 kilograms. Max. Cutting depth, 64 millimeters. Blade diameter, 180 millimeters. No load speed, 5,000 revolutions per minute. Rated voltage, 20 volts. Model number, WSLQ7. Power source, battery. Certification, none. Bevel, 0 to 45 degrees. Motor, brushless motor. The item number 2 is DeWalt DCS 438. Specifications. Brand name, DeWalt. Motor type, brushless. Usage, commercial manufacture. Rated voltage, 20 volts. Model number, DCS 438. Power source, battery. Saw type, grinder. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE, FCC. No load speed, 20000 RPM. Disc diameter, 76 Arbor size, 9.5 Product weight, 0.94 kilograms. On the top of our list at number 1 we have 7-inch brushless circular saw. Specifications. Brand name, Yofidra. Usage, home DIY. No load speed, 5,000 revolutions per minute. Power source, battery. Saw type, circular saw. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE.